What do you call two verbs that express special meanings? They don't give complete meanings unless used with other verbs. Hello mga ka-learning, this is Teacher Jaay. Welcome back to my channel, English for All Seasons. Today, I will talk about modal verbs. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs. They are also called helping verbs.
They are used to indicate modalities like ability, permission, request, suggestion, necessity, order, obligation, advice, and more. The following modal verbs are may, might, can, could, shall, will, would, should, must, and ought. May is used in different ways. It expresses either present or future time. It is frequently used to express permission, probability, possibility, and wishes. Example: may I borrow your car? May in the sentence used in asking permission. If he works hard, he may pass. May in the sentence used in expressing possibility. May you have the best of fortune. May expresses a wish. Might is the past tense of may. Example: he might fail in the test. Might expresses probability or possibility. Can is used to express ability. Example: I can study my lesson until the wee hours in the morning. Can is used to express ability. Could. It is the past tense of can. It expresses a possibility or ability. It is also used in statements that contain or imply conditions not established as fact. Example: I could swim under the water when I was younger. Could expresses possibility. Shall is used in the first person singular and plural of the simple future. Let's have the pronouns I and we. Example: we shall arrive in Manila tomorrow. Shall expresses futurity. Will is used in the second and third persons. Second person pronoun is you. May either be singular or plural form. And for the third person pronouns, he, she, it, and they. Example: Carlo and Krishna will meet us at the terminal. Will expresses futurity. Should. It is the past tense of shall. It expresses a strong meaning of obligation. Example: I should do better than this. Should expresses obligation. Would. It is the past tense of will. It also expresses customary action in the past. For example, every morning before dawn, he would go out to the garden for a coffee. Would is used or expresses customary action in the past. Must expresses necessity or obligation. Example: the teacher must attend the seminar. The word must expresses obligation. Ought, almost the same meaning as should. It expresses an obligation. It is weaker than should and suggests duty. Example: we ought to invite the president. In this sentence, ought is used to express obligation.
Thank you mga ka-learning. Hope you learned from the lesson that we have today. Don't forget to like, comment, share,